start this video, just to let you know, today is bonfire night and I'm going to get ready. Okay? Enjoy the video. Hey guys, so today I'm Dannii and I'm back! I'm back! And today, my mom's going to video me doing my makeup and let's get started. So first off, I need to get my lipstick. I got it out. Just need a, and I can do it. This is what it looks like, guys.
Look in your mirror, see if you can do it right. You're just learning, aren't you? About your makeup. Whoops.
Yeah, Mum, you need to wipe that a little bit off. You need to wipe that a little bit off.
Ask Dad to get you a wipe.
Dad? Can you get me a wipe, please? Can you get me a wipe? Just smudged a little bit. Oh, thanks. Oh, that's better. Isn't it? That's your favourite, isn't it, Mum?
Is it?
I can't put it on straight. Mum, I can't put it on straight.
There you go.
I tried though.
Yeah, you tried really good, that's it.
How does my lipstick look?
Let's have a look. Oh, very shiny.
Wow, okay. Well, I'm here just in case I'm smudged up. Now, the moment that you've all been waiting for, this! My mum bought it me for my birthday, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Do you love it?
Yeah.
It's a bit difficult to open now, let me to help you.
Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to open.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Don't forget your brushes are here, Dannii, for your blush.
Yeah, I know. Am I doing it gently?
Yeah, don't do it too hard because they break up, don't they?
Sometimes you can do this for a living.
Wow, that's nice.
Have I smudged up?
No, it looks lovely.
Oh, thanks. Alright. Guys, I'm about to do my blush. This is my... Guys,
What
this is
colour
my
blush you having?
This is my blush brush. Blush brush.
Rhyming.
Yes. Guys, just to let you know, blush and brush rhyme. They have the ush at the... They both have the ush at the end.
What did I learn you last time? What did I teach you? Well, you're supposed to put your lip gloss on last, I forgot to tell you that, but what did I teach you last time about blush?
Yeah, but it's fine if I do this because I've got lipstick on.
And waft it upwards. That's it.
Going up pole somewhere?
What?
Going up pole?
What do you mean?
Are you going looking for boys?
No. What's missing?
What about
Perfume!
perfume?
That's right, so...
What perfume are you having on today then?
Let's see.
And then when we get
That
back...
won't say so sexy.
Does it?
So sexy, so simple, and so great.
So what we're going to do then, we're going to do some videos at Bonfire night.
Yes.
The fireworks, and then we can mash the videos up and put it on YouTube when we get back.
Yeah, mash up my makeup video.
Yeah?
How to do it? Is that the right way?
Yeah.
I can do it.
Can you do it?
Yes. On my fist.
Wrist.
Wrist.
Not fist, wrist.
Fist. Wrist.
Yeah, rhyme.
Look at this.
That's your knuckles.
What knuckles? This is my fist.
You're not supposed to put on your fist. You're supposed to put on your wrist.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's your wrist.
Guys, look, this is a close up of my makeup. Guys, oh my god, guys, I just can't believe it. My mum has done my hair. Are you guys okay? Okay, here's what we're going to do. We've arrived. We're going to start to walk round. We're going to look at the fireworks, and we're going to be yellow rockets and Becky and Alistair. That's who we're going to be. And we're going to carry on when we get there. Guys, sorry to say, we've got to walk up to Clifton Park now. See you soon. Bye. Guys, before I start this video, just to let you know, we're at Clifton Park, okay? Here comes the fire.
Wow, who's done it?
I know, but we've got someone else. Come on. Hi guys. And the light's bright. These fireworks are big, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Just to let you know, massive.
Hang on.
Square thing.
UFO!
Eh?
UFO!
I need another kind of phone.
Oh.
It's like a dip, let's find alone. Got scared early when kids were in school.
We weren't even that bad, were they?
They're banging me outside.
What you got?
Rachel!